how to make sub page to individual page in Wix. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to click on edit site here from the home page of Wix, and then this is going to load up the Wix website editor. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on pages and menu from the left, which should be the third option. And let's say I want to create a sub page for this page, and I'll show you how we can revert this as well. So I'm going to do add page here, and I'm just going to add a blank page. Now I'll go back to pages and menu here, and you will see the new page created like so. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it to About Us More Info, and then click on done. Now if I want to create or add this About Us More Info page in the About Us page, I'm going to click on the three dots here, and I will select sub page. So I just selected sub page. Now as you can see, this is part of the About Us page. Now if we want to make this an individual page, what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to click on pages and menu here, and this time I'll click on the three dots next to the sub page itself, and we'll have to select main menu. This will revert it back to the main menu, and as you can see, we have the About Us and About Us More Info page, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.